So you want to get into Gunpla or Plamo, but you have no idea where to start? Good news! You do not need a massive tool collection, airbrush, years of experience. You can start with one beginner-friendly kit and a few basic tools. Oh, and just to be clear, I'm still a beginner too. I've not tried anything higher than a high grade yet. My first personal goal is to finish the standard HG Gundam Wing kits, and after that I want to move on to the real grade and master grade Gundam Wing kits. So this is not advice from someone with a giant display, 10 years of experience. This is from someone who is also starting simple and building step by step. So first, what is Gunpla? Well, Gunpla means Gundam Plastic Model Kits, and Plamo is the broader term for plastic model kits in general, like robots, anime kits, vehicles, creatures, and other hobby models. Most Gunpla kits snap together, which means you usually do not need glue or paint to build your first one. For basic tools, keep it simple. The most important tool is a pair of side cutters or hobby nippers. These help you cut the pieces off the plastic runners cleanly. Next, you may want a hobby knife or a sanding stick to clean up small leftover plastic marks called nub marks. You do not need to make everything perfect at first. Just clean it up enough so the parts fit nicely. A cutting mat is useful, but any safe work surface can work when you're starting out. A small container or tray is also helpful so tiny parts do not disappear on you. That is really all you need for your first build. Now, how do you pick your first kit? For absolute beginners, entry-grade kits are a great starting point. They are simple, affordable, and designed to be easy to build. They don't even require any tools, not even cutters. You can just pull them off the runners. Maybe you don't want to jump straight into Gundam. You can also try some of their other brands, like Pokemon. These are very easy to put together. High grade or HG, they are probably the best overall beginner choice. They give you the real Gunpla experience without being too expensive or too complicated. For your very first kit, I would avoid master grade, perfect grade, and complicated real grade kits. They can be amazing, and I definitely want to do them later, but they usually have more parts, more detail, and more chances for you to get frustrated and maybe step out of the hobby. Remember, the best first kit is not always the most popular one. It is the one you actually think looks cool. If you like the design, you are more likely to finish it and enjoy the process. When building, follow the manual step by step. Cut the part off the runner, clean it up a little bit, and then snap it together. Do not rush. Gunpla is not a race. Your first build will probably not be perfect, and that is completely fine. Every builder starts somewhere. Start simple, use basic tools, pick a kit you like, and just build. That is the easiest way to get into Gunpla.